Hi and welcome to part 2 of me organizing my rock stuff. If everything goes after plan, this video will go up on International Geology Day, which falls on the first Sunday of April. So happy Geo Day! If you didn't know, my name is Asha, and on this channel I talk about anything geology related, with a little sprinkle of some extra stuff. Here you see me trying to be creative with how to present some of my posters, but let's see what's in the cave today. And let's see, another one. These ones are also found in Oslo. It's not rocks, but fossils. Now I'm not sure from which age they're from, but they're from after 500, after the Cambrian explosion. But actually, maybe I should try to check that out when they're, because I know where I would know at some point where I found them. So maybe I can find the age of them. But they look like this. Or maybe you can see them the whole time. I'm just sitting talking to my hand that you can see. Yeah, okay, they look like this. And there are, I think they are the stalk of some kind of sea lily, like from the ocean, as far as I remember, something like this. Sea lily. I think maybe they were called sea lilies, I'm not sure. Okay, so over to someone that I have actually bought, or yeah. So this is a very beautiful example of fluorite. They also form in, like a purite. They form in these cubical shapes, and. Yeah, this one, the darkest blue one, I have from when I was in Paris. And I didn't find it in Paris, like in the nature, but it was a very beautiful rock stores I've ever seen. And I couldn't, there were many rocks that I wanted to buy, but most of them I couldn't afford. I was a poor student. It was like a weekend trip with my friends, and yeah, but this one I decided to buy, and it's yeah, I love it a lot. You should, I would like one of the things about some say that if you're a true rock collector, you won't buy a polished rock, and when it comes to fluorite, you definitely shouldn't. They're so beautiful, like in natural state. Look at this one, even this one, the small one, so beautiful. Yeah, so I thought I would show you the result of last night's work. This is my geological timescale poster that I've traveled with. I've moved with it. It's been like I've had it for ages, and for that reason I have actually I've taped it with tape so it would like hold better. But yeah, so yeah, it was wrinkly before I even started. It's not worse, but yeah. And this one is one of my posters of the geology map around Tromsø. And I use this actually quite a lot when I am around and about in Tromsø, or in the Tromsø area. And yeah, it's, yeah. I could have framed these professionally, but it cost over 12,000 Norwegian kroners, and I was too cheap to do that. yeah, I don't know, maybe I should have, but yeah, it's done, it's done. Yeah, my sister says that Mercury is in retrograde and that you shouldn't start new projects. So, yeah, well, I view this as an old project because I've been thinking about it a lot. So, yeah. Yeah, and this one I was thinking about, the muscovite. So the muscovite is, no, not muscovite, but in the muscovite family, the same family as muscovite. This is fuchsite. Fuchsite, yeah, in the same family as biotite and muscovite. I don't think I have muscovite, but this is biotite. It has this flaky structure. And yeah, it's for many years I called fuchsite my favorite mineral. This green glimmery color here, it was my favorite mineral. But now I have no idea. There are so many beautiful minerals. And yeah, and this one is where did I find this one? I think I have found this example somewhere, this biotite, but I'm not sure. I don't remember where. Yeah. This one is also very beautiful. I haven't found this one, but it's a rock which is normal in metamorphic rocks. It's kyanite, high metamorphic rocks. So it's when it has a high, or if the rock has been exposed for high temperature and high pressure, kyanite normally forms. So this is kyanite. Yeah, is there any more? Is there more? This one is actually kråkebolle. Kråkebolle. I don't know what kråkebolle is in English. See? Yeah, I don't remember. Anyways, it's like a solidification of a or the inner shape of a kråkebolle. My mother actually found this on the beach. Yeah. Yeah, so almost finished. I'm just about to glue these lights in the bottom of the shelf of the cabinet. So there will be some light. I found this at Claes Olsen. And yeah, and they're on battery, and then there's this glue thing where you can like stick this up, and you can actually screw them in too, but I'm not going to do that. And then you can like rotate this part with batteries. Yeah, so it's quite cool. Yeah, anyway, so that's the last thing, and then I'm going to hang the posters, and then I'm finished, and I will show you the last the end result. This is the hallway, the geo hallway as I call it now, with the cabinet with the lights in it now, and all the different rocks. They all have name tags, you can see here. And here we have the posters that I glued to cardboard. Here it is on top. Let's see here if I can zoom. Here I can actually. So it's like, yeah. So that's how it ended up. It's a bit high up, to be honest, but I don't know what to do about that right now, because yeah. Okay, there's a package that came this evening. Oh my gosh. When did I order this? At least a month ago. And I've been thinking about it for a very long time, that I wanted one. Yeah. So let's see. It was a lot larger than I thought it would be. I don't know if it's this big. This. Aha! Okay. There we go. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's see here. So. Okay, let's see. You can see it actually. I think you have to. Yeah, okay, like this. Oh, terrible. This is the sign. Chicken! Welcome to Chicken! Okay, I really want to see it lit up. Do you? How can we do that? How many things do I need to... Is this enough? Yeah, this is enough for now. Yeah, it's actually quite silly, but... Okay, let's try to turn this baby on. Lights anymore. I only need the sun. Oh my god, that's amazing! Gee, okay. Yeah, okay. Welcome! Yeah, this is so much fun. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. That's the big surprise. And now I just need to figure out a way to hang it on the wall. And yeah, so...